Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm just gonna dive into Solana once again. Please join me into the Discord and thank you for the 7,000 subs. Can I reach 10k please by June? All right. So last time I talked about Adam and Eve's double bottom. So here we are. This is the first bottom and second bottom right there. And all we are just doing right now is making a very small positive progress to try to push the prices to the upside as well. So everything it's doing, it's mirroring Bitcoin at this point of time. So watch the Bitcoin video because I do think that Bitcoin is about to get quite bullish out there, and potentially you're going to see this Solana right now try to pump and go to the upside as well. So I'm actually going to clear some of these yellow lines, put them out there, and we're still looking for this thing to go up. Now one thing I'm going to make very clear is that if you start to lose the $80, that's going to be very bad. Yes, if you go down, lose the $80, boom, that's a free fall potentially to go to the $40 and the $50. Now unless you really don't do, it's a big question mark right now if you're going to lose that one. But by the looks of things and by the look of how Bitcoin is behaving, this is actually gonna be successful to the upside. You might put the fact that it's gonna actually change. So I'm gonna actually look at this one on the monthly time frame, and you're making a doji. What you see right here in the middle is a doji. I know it's not very clear. Let me open up in a different exchange. So here we are in a different exchange right there. So what you saw here, this in the middle is a doji on a monthly time frame. So what are dojis, by the way? Dojis are undecisive. They can actually break to the downside even more, and they can go to the upside. But when you see a doji after a downtrend like this, the doji suggests that a reversal is about to happen on the monthly time frame. So this, you can see in March you go all the way up to $160, $150, and then you make a morning star, and by April you continue the journey to the upside as well. So this is a little bit of a good sign because it appeared in a downtrend. When it does come to a downtrend, then that's what happens. Actually, I'm gonna do Google. So undecisive doji. Yeah, so doji is actually undecisive. I just want to see if there's any text about it after they appear in a downtrend. So you can see one here that when this appeared in an uptrend, the reversal actually happened to go to the downside right there. And I just want to see if we have one on a downtrend so that we can study that one. Doji in a downtrend, something like this one, right? So you saw this downtrend right there, and then a doji appeared. Indecision reversal prior of trend is possible. So yeah, so we're actually looking for a reversal to go to the upside as well. So let me search for doji in a downtrend. Yeah, so here we are, doji in a downtrend. Any other picture that you can see? Nearly something like this. You're going to see something very similar to this. Those red candles, that doji in the middle, and then boom, the green candles start to move to the upside. I'm not getting that clear image where we can actually talk about it, but anyway, this is on the monthly time frame. So the monthly time frame is flashing that doji once again, and that's actually very positive. On the 4-hour time frame, we're making that Adam and Eve double bottom. Yep, it seems like it's still in a discount. It's still in a dip. What you can do is you can actually try to trade Solana, and what I'm gonna tell you is that put a big stop loss near this line of $80. Put a stop loss at $80 because you don't know what's gonna happen next, right? So yeah, that's it for today's update. I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.